Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you, so you can see how a turbocharger has been left from a Nissan van after the oil that lubricates the turbo itself, due to excessive wear of the seals or rings, because the oil has come out and the turbo has sent it to the intake. Through the intake it has reached the engine, and as I say, it has begun to burn in the cylinders and the vehicle has entered self-combustion. The owner told us that self-combustion lasted only 10-15 seconds. And he was able to stop the engine. Look how this is, it's the compressor propeller. Over here, he has sent the oil that lubricates the turbo turbine shaft through the intake. Look, you can see how it is, it has a lot of play and is hitting the shell, but it is worse at the rear, which would be the turbine. That way, the oil has reached, as I say, the ignition and the vehicle has entered self-combustion. Look. Now I show you the cloudiness now, so you can see how that is. It is practically loose, so this turbo, in this case, what is done is to take it to be repaired and hopefully the engine. Since it has managed to stop it, after 10 or 15 seconds, we are going to trust that the car, that is, the car's engine, has not been affected. Okay, well, here you have this video. If it has been of interest to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.